and my brother were out of poverty forever. What is it now? Hey! Who are you now?
God, I go punish you, said that palm for you. You see that palm where you here? I told them I...
Take.
Yes, I need palm. Let me have that money.
No, it was community money. They sent me for an errand.
Stupid community. Let me have that money.
Hey! This is community money.
Shut! You know what you do for me.
Hey, let me give you small inside so that I can...
You want to give me small, right?
So.
Want to give me small?
You still want to give me small? No. Take it.
You go stand up now. You go run without noise. You are still wasting time.
Meanwhile, my father said the man is a noble man.
That's what your father told you, but you have not met him yet. Look, I know some bad boys that are very good in bed. They mad die.
Chidima, it's everything about bed. Must everything be about bed?
Yes, so.
Hey! Everything.
My sister, that's the most important thing right now. What the person they do for this? Like, not me to enjoy your life.
Not for me.
I need that more.
My sister, I want to make heaven.
Yeah. I will make heaven, but make her enjoy earth first. Stop. Who's that guy? Look at him. What is he burying there?
I don't know. I think he's burying something.
Hey,
look well now.
That guy looks like a criminal.
Chiruko, I don't know him.
That looks like money. It's like he stole someone's money and he's trying to hide it.
Hey, is that how they steal in the city?
How did you see money like this? I'm smart now. When I see money, I know that thing is money. Oh. Let's go and check it out.
Let's go and see.
You think we should go there?
Let's go.
Let's be sure he has gone.
Look at him, he's leaving. Let's go. Well, let's go now. But carry your cutlass.
Are we going to fight a man?
Don't protect yourself. Okay, now, Gabiko.
Okay, let me carry my own cutlass. How are we going to fight a man?
I've lost what? I've lost everything, Ifeanyi. I've lost it. Ifeanyi, I've lost it.
Talk to me, lost what?
Ifeanyi, I've lost all the money. All the money is gone, Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi, all the money is gone.
Which money? I don't understand. But you were with the money 20 minutes ago. How come you're telling me that all the money is gone?
Ifeanyi, you remember? Ifeanyi.
Amaka, talk to me now.
Immediately I collected the money. You remember that road? Mama Tochi's place, that junction. Immediately I entered junction, I just stopped. Not quite long from the road though, I just stopped to confirm the money before I take a bike. I turned back and there's a gun on my head. The guy said I should give him the money. He even started beating me with the gun. I collected the money. They collected all the money in this village. When did that start? When did that start?
No, Amaka, what are you saying now? The only land left for us from our late father. Emeka, you are telling me they collected all the money?
Yeah, it's not my fault now. It's not my fault.
No.
I just said this person pointed gun at me. You want him to kill me?
No, Emeka, I don't want to believe this.
Should I start fighting with him?
And you could not overpower him.
Overpower somebody with a gun? Overpower somebody with a gun?
You could not. You never had we could. Why did not? Oh shit! Oh.
No, if I see this thing will not go like this.
No.
If I will find this person everywhere in this village. I will find this person and we must get back this money. If we don't get it, we are dead, or if we don't recover this money, we are dead. Let's find this money.
Are you serious?
Hey.
Are you being serious?
Hey.
Emeka, are you being serious?
I am serious now. How more serious can I be?
Behind you. Let's go and show me that person. Go and show me that person.
Let's look for that. Go and show me that. Search this village.
Chimo. How money be this?
Hey, this is plenty, oh.
Very plenty. Hey! See.
How much is this?
From the way I'm looking at this money is up to 8 million naira.
It's so.
I'm telling you. I'm not joking. See now? Very plenty. In bundles.
Huh? Chidima, you are getting wiser every day. 7 to 8 million. You just calculated it. No.
Yes, now. Now what for you? You know how they get sense for this kind of thing now. This money is up to 8 million or 7 million.
Your brain is very sharp, oh. It's very sharp. This money it will solve all of our family problems.
Yes,
yes, now.
So we are taking it.
Let's take it now. We have just said that it's a stolen money. So how do we share it now? What do we do?
It's very simple now.
Because it's a stolen money.
Yes, you will take 3 million. I'll take 3 million. She'll take 1.5 or 2 million naira.
Hey, so I will take what? Why would I get the small one? You will take 3, she will take 3, me I will take 2. Why?
Which one is Esu? Which one is Y?
No, why will I take 2 million and you people will take 3 million?
You're asking me stupid question.
What kind of stupid question is that?
Wait, she saw the man. I did the digging and brought out the money. Did you do anything?
Oh, really?
Yes. My friend, take your 1.5 and stop taking
this is not.
It's not by Bamba. Guy, Kangwage. Let me tell you something. If you think you can cheat me the way your thief of a father stole money from people in this village and died with the money. Till now, we don't know where the money is.
Stop saying that!
You want to take what?
Why are you accusing me?
Wait. What did you just say?
You heard me right, oh. You heard me very well. You want me to repeat it? You are a thief. You came from a family of thieves, a lineage of thieves.
You are insulting my family. You brought my late father into this inner parlor. Are you stupid? You didn't crazy. You are the one who God punish you.
Did you just slap me?
I go beat you for this place.
Chidima, did you just slap me?
You are mad.
You are the one who is mad. You are the one who is mad.
You are fighting because of money you are not even sure of.
Can you imagine this thief?
Why will you punch her like that?
How would I punch her? Didn't you see her slap me?
We are fighting over money that we don't even know how much it is.
You look how you take 3 and give me 2. As
you didn't even do anything.
Oh, I didn't do anything.
Yes, you didn't do anything.
As a matter of fact, I'll take the whole money.
You will not even try it. Chidima, stand up. Let's share the money. Stand up, please.
Come and take 3 million. Let me see. Why is she still lying down there? Madam, stand up. If you want to fight, let's fight it out. I know.
Are you not tired of fighting?
Madam, wake her up. You talk too much.
You come and wake her up. Are you not the one that punched her? Come and wake her. Please stand up. Let's go and share the money. Mama. Chidima, stand up now. I am sorry. She will not punch you again. Stand up. You people even like to fight. Come and tell her to stand up.
Why is she not standing up?
You're asking me. Come and ask her.
My friend, stand up, Biko. Chidima, stand up now. What's wrong with this one? What's she for me like? Wait first. Chidima, stand up now. So nothing, you just fall, be acting drama. Chidi.
Mama, stand up.
Chidima.
Hey! Wakama.
Chidima.
Hey.
Chidima, wake up now. Wake up now. This is an expensive joke. Chidima! Hey!
Hey, don't call my name.
Hey,
don't call my name.
Chidima. Dima. Hey! Dima, because you are no Dima. Dima, stand up now. I was only playing. Now your father is not a thief. Your father is not a thief.
Cheat anybody.
Hey!
Chidima, stand up, please.
That is blood, oh, it's a blood, oh.
Chidima, please.
Hey! Chimo, what is this? How can my food fall off like this?
Hey, Chidima. Mama, what have you done? You have killed our friend because of money. Just look at Chidima. Mama, why? Did I tell you to stop fighting? Did I tell you?
It's an accident now. I'm going to Mama. Dima, take the whole money. Just stand up, Dima, get up now. Get up. I'll give you the whole money. You can take everything.
Mama,
Dima, because
Mama, let's take her to the hospital first. She'll wake up.
Eso, take her home. When you get to the hospital and they ask you what killed her, what will you tell them? Don't you know that the police will arrest you? You will go to prison. And then if we stay here and they meet us here, do you know what will happen to us? You know the penalty for killing somebody in this village? They will stone you to death. Osim, let's take her to the hospital.
So you want us to leave her here? We should leave our friend here? Wakama, are you this mean? Are you this heartless? You want us to leave our friend here?
First of all, you start by bringing down your voice. Bring down your voice, because if the person who dropped this money comes back here and sees us here, you know what will happen. We'll have plenty dead bodies lying down here. So bring down your voice. You want to take her to the hospital. When you get there, you tell them what? You tell them what? She's dead, she's dead. It's a mistake. Somebody is dead. Now let's look for solution for the people who are alive. On a crumb nonsense. Did you not hear me say we have to leave? When we get to the hospital and they ask us what happened to her, what will you tell them? Police will now arrest you.
Well, can I explain now? I will tell them that people were fighting, you now punched her, she then hit her head.
You explain to them. Yes. Until when you get there, tell them it is you who killed her. Explain everything to them. You don't have sense.
What do we do? What do we do? What do we do?
Just here. Fine, it's here. I was coming from that side, and then I got here. I wanted to confirm the money, and I was excited. Immediately I turned. I saw somebody pointing gun at me. One rough-looking guy from nowhere. And then he snatched the money and asked me to run. I ran. If not, he would have shot me. In this community. Hi! All the money that Chief, what am I going to tell Chief? If I...
What kind of story is this now? Hey. Who could have done this to you? What is going on?
If I in this community, or do not possible. What will I tell Chief? I mean, what will we tell Chief? This money is gone, in this community. We must find this guy. If I will have to find this guy. If I pick this thing, let's go. You mustn't go far.
Come, Emeka, come first. Our lives depends on this money. So I don't know what you're talking about. What do we tell Chief?
One name, Chief now. Can I show this guy? Let's find this guy now. This guy cannot take this money now. Stop saying, I don't even want to believe that this money is lost or missing. Please, let's go.
Now.
you doing? Uloma, what do you think you're doing? My friend, let's go.
Please, I am tired. I am tired. Okama, please, let's go back. She might still be alive, so we can help her. Oh,
Yes, so?
let's go back.
Go back where? Does she look like somebody who is alive? My friend, did you see her? Upon all the shake, upon all the everything we did, she did not wake up. You're telling me let's go back. Listen. What happened was an accident. But we now stupidly burying ourselves inside the trouble. Is Mumu? Is Iberibe? Auntie, the earlier we leave here, the better for the two of us.
So what do we tell her mother? Even the police, what if they catch us?
Auntie, tell who? Now listen, let me tell you something in case you don't have sense. If you dare open your mouth and mention anything that happened here today to anybody, first of all, I will deny you. Secondly, I will locate you and kill you since you don't have sense.
Hey!
Try me.
You want to kill me too? Okay, you want to go about the whole village, killing everybody. You want to be killing everybody in the village.
Whatever it will take to cover up what happened, whatever it will take to keep me innocent, I will do it.
Let me go and
Don't
tell
try
everybody.
yourself. You want to go and tell everybody?
I will tell everybody that you killed Chidema. Yes.
Go and tell everybody. Let them stone you. Go and tell everybody so they will stone you to death. But
you can just tell them the truth that it was a mistake. I don't understand
you. If you want to go and tell them, no problem. Me, I am leaving you.
Hello? I do work on that. How did it happen? Correct now, I don't get the money. 30 years ago. I dey waste time. That is what I'm born to do. Yes, now the money they save. I kept the money where nobody can ever find the money. Nobody. Even though na spirits. No go fit find that money. So when you want the money, when you want make I bring them? It clear now? It clear. Bobo!
Don't leave! It's me! Itakuna! Why are you scared?
I don't know.
Get up. Who do you think it was?
I don't know.
Huh?
It's you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm very fine. I'm very okay, very fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. You know my friends. This is how we usually play.
You were too frightened. I thought maybe something was bothering you or something.
No, I'm fine. Let me be going home. Oh? Thank you. Bye-bye. Akonna.
Why is she so scared?
Melo chukubon sogin keta for ya. Hey! Okay. Hey!
Good afternoon, ma.
Welcome, ma. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Welcome.
How's everything?
Fine, ma.
I came to check up on Chidima. She didn't follow us to fetch firewood today.
Then she told me that she was going to fetch firewood, and I assumed that she's going with you and Oloma as usual.
No, she did not. It was just me and Uloma that went.
That is strange.
Yesterday we had an argument and we said some bad things to each other in the course of the argument. So I guess maybe that's why she decided to go separately to fetch firewood today. I didn't know she took it to heart. Maybe you are right. Mama, please, just help me tell her when she comes back that I am really sorry about what happened. And I'm sorry for what we said to each other. And I hope we remain friends.
Wakama, you are a very good girl. I will tell her that as soon as she comes back.
Thank you very much, Mama. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Mama, she told me that they have settled.
But one day, monkey go market, you not go return.
Ulama, how come? Where is the firewood you went to fetch?
Mama, I am sick. I am sick. That's why I couldn't fetch any firewood.
You're sick? Ulama, your temperature is fine. Where is the sickness?
It's in my head. Mama, the sickness is the malaria is in my head. It's even in my bones. That's why my bones are feeling very, very weak. And I'm sick, Mama.
Are you sure you are not pregnant?
Mama, no now. I am not pregnant. How can you say that? I am not.
Ulama, I am saying it because I don't like that your friends. I don't like them. Those girls, I don't like them. They might have been taking you to boys' houses. Even teaching you what you have not been doing before.
Mama, my friends do not take me to boys' houses. We don't do anything bad now. We are children of God. We don't do evil things, Mama. And I'm not pregnant because
they are good people.
Yes, Mama.
I don't see anything good about them because I don't like them.
Mama, they are my friends. I told you I'm sick and you're still making me feel more sick.
Okay. I will go and get some herbs so that I will give it to you. That your headache will go.
Herbs?
Herbs, yes.
Mama, no. I'll stick to the paracetamol on the table.
You don't want herbs?
Yeah. Mama, I'm not
Ulama, you don't want herbs? Any passion?
My son, why do you do that? And I am.
Father, please, I want you to understand me. I might not be able to give you the reasons I need those documents at this moment. But it is for something good. Please, I beg of you, just give me those documents.
My son, I cannot just give you the documents. In our family, transparency is very, very crucial. You don't know. So you have to tell me why you need the land. Like I will give you the land. Please, don't give you the paper. That's only 2 times.
I understand you, Dad. I know that in our family we value transparency, but for me to be asking you for those lands documents, that giving you the reasons, it's because it's very important. And it's because I cannot give you those explanations at this moment. But see that my intentions are pure. I want you to trust me, I'm your son. Please, I beg of you, try and reconsider. Please.
I come here. I still stand where I stand. If you cannot give me a good explanation of what you need the land, then I won't give you away. But if you have good reason, please come forward. I'm all ears. I will hear you and give it to you, please.
What are these useless? What are these nonsense boys? What are these livers? Rebecca! Rebecca! Levi! Today, this house is not content. What are you? Rebecca! Rebecca! Levi! Useless children. You can't hide away from me forever. Not forever, yes. I will surely deal with you. Yes. Don't say it once. No problem. You can lose in my hands. Relax. Don't worry. I'm not
Fine, what do we do? How do we even bring ourselves to tell Uncle Alozia about this money? How?
He will definitely kill us. The most annoying one is that we didn't make use of this money.
Ifeanyi,
what kind of predicament is this?
Ifeanyi, I swear with heaven, I must find who did this to me. I must... now in this community, in this village, somebody would just point gun at me and collect the money in this village. When has it suddenly become this way? Just like that? No, I will go to the ends of this earth. I will make sure I find who did this. And when I find the person, it's Madu Yadari. That is most definitely. I can't let this go like this, so it's not possible now.
Well, let me ask you, how did the person know that you had money with you?
Fine, how am I supposed to know now? How am I supposed to know?
You see, robbery is not common in this our village. Emeka, I think this is a setup. Yes, it's a setup. But Uncle and the land should not be our problem for now. Chief should be our problem because very soon, after today, Chief might send his boys after us.
Now, what do we do? Which kind of problem is this one now?
Come on, that to protect that money on you again. Up until you just know who had the money. Who had the money? Are you not a guy man? You put a guy man.
No, I'm guy man. I'm guy man. I'm not guy man.
You form my hand for this village.
I'm not guy man. If somebody pointed gun at you and you're telling me to be a guy man and die, I'm not guy man.
Why did you not protect that money? You just brought it before.
Protect which money?
You should brought it at this village.
Plan
on how to address the chief. Just to be a chief because you see this, we are in problem, a very big problem.
Ifeanyi, somebody it's because you're not in my shoe now. You're not the one wearing the shoe. That's why you're talking now. It's because you're not the one wearing the shoe. Somebody pointed gun at you. You will not release the money. Guy man, who is your guy man?
I like the rate of development in our community. The youths are doing wonderfully well, and you are one of them.
Thank you so much. Sir, you are a good man. It is not easy for someone as rich as you are to still be willing to support the youth the way you do. I am so grateful for this opportunity. and I will forever be indebted to you.
It's all right. I hope your father understands the pattern of this business. I don't like interferences. I like serious-minded hustlers.
I'm a hustler, sir. I don't even need to notify my father about this. I just need to get the land documents to you and that's it.
Akonna, you may go now. I'll be back.
Alright, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
What do you mean he's not here and he's not picking your calls?
Chief, I have called more than 6 times and he's not taking my calls. I don't just know why.
Those boys had better know more than this. They better not dare me, because they will not like what will befall them. Get Jaganja and Scoopy to go after them. Right away.
Yes, sir, Chief. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Adam,
Papa,
when was the last time you saw your cousins?
which of them?
Both of them.
Oh, okay. I saw them this morning before I went to fetch firewood.
Your useless cousins used the only land remaining in this family as collateral.
Why? What for?
How would I know? Well, I've been looking for a way of setting my eyes on them, but I've not seen them. All I know is whenever I see them, I will skin them alive. One them, I will skin them alive.
Papa, it has not got into that. Don't worry yourself about the land. Don't worry yourself about a piece of land. You can never tell. God will bless you from another angle.
Shut up. Why did you start supporting those riffraffs?
Papa, I am not supporting them. I'm only saying that. You might be looking down on me because I'm a girl. Or you can never tell. God will use me to surprise you, to bless you. I'll make you proud.
Okay.
Now. I'll make you proud. A piece of land.
It's okay. Where are you going to?
I'm coming. Let me get something outside there. I'm coming.
Hey. What is wrong with this girl? So this girl is not yet back. Hey, Chimo Nekwanum. What kind of life is this? No, if it's like this, better come back and go back to your city. 1 month, Kigano. 1 day or the other. I don't know how the other day. Kedu nwa be here biko? Hey, Chineke nna. Oh, Chimo. Hey, Chimo. Hey. Nemo. What is this, Kwanu? What is this? Huh? Hey! Hey! How will I fall in my own compound? I'm not going to get any big one. Hey! Shimo! Yeme! Chidemwe ga-arapụtam atọ! Ị ga-arapụtam!
So where are the land documents? I need them now.
Sir, my father refused to give me those documents. He wants to know the reason I need those documents. He just wants transparency. My father just wants to make sure that I'm using those documents responsibly.
I expected more than this from you. You're supposed to have those documents in your possession. We need them now.
I understand, sir. I totally understand.
Akona, please don't disappoint me. For me to succeed in this operation, I need those documents.
Yes, sir. I totally understand the significance of those documents. And I assure you, sir, I'll do everything within my powers to get those documents to you, with or without my father's consent.
It's okay. You may go now.
Unfriendly friend, Obigidi Banjo. You are one glad. Why are you like this? Your character is not different from Satan.
What is it?
Hey! Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. I heard something. Someone was here.
Yes, someone is here.
Mama, are you okay? Mama, are you okay? Ah! Hey! Look at me! Look at me! Mama, look at me! Don't kill me.
Ulama! 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 Yes! Sit down! What is it? It's me, your mother. What is it? Are you okay?
Yes, Mama. I'm fine.
This is a bad dream. It's a bad dream.
Mama, it's just malaria.
Malaria? No. You were shouting, "Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't kill me!" Is it still the symptom of malaria?
Mama, yes. The malaria has gone. This is headache.
No. This is malaria. Ulama, we are going to the village clinic. I am taking you to the village clinic. This malaria is I don't understand it.
Mama, I'm fine. Don't worry. See, this is just the headache and it's remaining little. It's coming down. I'm fine.
With paracetamol. Ulama, I told you that I am going to bring herbs for you. You said no. Then I asked you now to go to village clinic. Ulama, you still say no. Malaria is coming down. Headache is coming down with paracetamol.
Mama, let me just go inside.
Let it be only headache and the malaria. Because Ulama, if you get pregnant in my house, this house will not contain both of us. It will not contain us all.
How do we tell Uncle? Like I told you, what do you mean Uncle should do the business? That same uncle of ours is the only hope we've got. He's the only person that can fight for us, that can protect us. Is it not better he hears it from us than he hears it outside? That's it. Is it not better we die in his hands than die in the hands of chief?
don't understand you.
Good evening. Is Chidima here with you?
No, Chidima should be at home now.
She's not at home. She left since morning to go and fetch firewood.
Okay, maybe you should go to Wakama's house. She might know where she is.
Wakama says she has not seen her since today.
Hey, me too. Mama, I've not seen her since today.
Hey, where could this girl be now? Where could she be?
What is it?
My daughter. Hey.
Won't you stop disturbing yourself? Eh? Will you continue to search for Chidima till the rest of your life? Eh? Chidima, you know, always go out and return the next day.
Then I will not search for her for the rest of my life. But I don't know what to do. I don't know. I don't even know what I did to deserve this kind of child.
It's okay, calm down. Just go home. Don't worry yourself. Go home. Chidima will come back later. You know she's a city girl. You know the city girls now, there's a way they do their thing. They like to take their time and
Uloma, please, if she comes, if you see her, tell her I'm worried. I don't even know what I'm doing.
Go home and rest.
It's okay. Catch your phone.
I've told you time without that this girl is a bad influence. Stop whatever you have to do with her.
Mama, stop it. How can you talk ill of my friend like this?
Will you shut up? Shut up! Look at the kind of the kind of girl you are keeping as your friend.
Chidima is a good girl.
Let me see her here.
Fine, you know we cannot sleep in this house tonight. What do you mean? It's not safe for us. Chief and his boys might just barge into this place and see us. And if they find us, they will kill us. So we need to get going immediately.
So where do you accept we run to? Should we run out of this village? But you know we cannot hide from Chief.
That's not even possible. I am here to see Chief.
Wait for him here. He will be with you shortly.
Okay. All right.
I will not ask you again. Where is my money?
Chief, I swear. Chief, I didn't take your money.
You think we are joking? Eh?
If you didn't take my money, why did you run to Lagos?
Chief, I didn't run. I will pay you back. Chief, please. Chief, please.
I have one big problem. You know what it is? I don't give second chances.
So he killed him? Fine. As if that wasn't enough. Chief tailed Chidi. Sent his boys, he brought him back to his house, tortured the poor boy, and then shot him dead. Right before my eyes. That's the kind of man you want to run away from.
Wait, so Chidi is dead?
Chidi's dead. Chief killed Chidi right before my eyes.
We all think that Chidi died abroad and Chief helped them bring the corpse back.
You're not even listening to me.
And he even compensated the family.
Compensation. Died abroad. So you believe that cock and bull story. You're not listening to me. Chief brought back Chidi to his house, tortured him, and then shot him dead. I saw everything.
Hey! Emeka, what kind of problem is this now?
Emeka, we're in deep trouble.
God.
I think we should leave this place now. You see the reason why we cannot spend a minute in this house. We should leave now.
You mean we should leave?
Yes, now. What are we doing here? Let's pick what we can pick and get out of this place. In fact, let's leave now. There's no point going there. You want to still go inside and pick something?
Let me pick something now.
Pick what? And you meet me at the gate.
Wicked people.
Hola, Ma. Let's go in and sleep.
Mama, don't worry. You can go in. I'll join you later.
Hola, Ma. What is your problem? I don't really get you since today. You have been acting strange. Tell me. Are you pregnant?
Mama.
If you are pregnant, tell me now. Mama, you better tell me.
I am not pregnant. I am not.
Then let's go inside.
Mama, please go in. I will join you later. Please.
Hola, Ma.
Pico.
Let's go in. Let's go in. What are you doing? What is wrong with you? Huh? Enough for that. Open that door.
My spirit is restless, no peace at all. Come back, Coco, Maki, Bemo, Apollo, come surround me anymore. Apollo, Apogini, come already, yes, anymore. Now you have killed me. What do you stand to gain?
Don't do this to me. Please.
I'm sorry. I can't stay here anymore. It's all your fault.
Why? What did I do wrong? Honey, I love you. Okay? If I don't love you, I wouldn't be pressuring you for us to go see your mother to pay your dowry. I love you and that's why I've been doing all that. Okay?
Dikeh, I cannot live here anymore. I have found a better place.
Better place? Which other place will be better than here? Listen, my love. I am young. I have money. Anything you want, I'll get it for you. And I promise to bring your mother from the village. She'll live with us here together, happily as one family. Okay?
Allow me go first. I'll think about it.
What? Honey? Babe? Babe? Honey? Don't go! Don't go! What did I do wrong? What kind of dream is this? Has Chidima been cheating on me? Is she with another man? What's the meaning of this dream? I've been calling her ever since. She's not picking up. What do I do now? And I don't know the way to her village. Where's my phone? Come on, pick up. Pick up, please.
Very wicked, unfriendly friend, or bikini banjo. You are wolf in sheep clothing. Why are you like this? Your character is not different from Satan.
Emeka! Emeka! You fine! You fine! Hey. Look at these good for nothing children. I will so deal with them. Fuck, I'm making an Look, it is properly said that an Oko Yahoo and actually also these your useless cousins can say not to sleep here today. They're not getting back by this time of the night. If you hear, I will so deal with them. I will report them to the Igwe. Eh? They must provide those land documents. They must provide it. And if they fail to do that, there will be a problem. Serious problem. Forget.
Papa.
My daughter.
I want to ask you a question.
I'm all ears.
Why are we stuck in this village? This village. Why can't we move to the city and live a good life? Because I've been thinking of it. I don't know. Is there something wrong? Is there a reason we are here that we can't move?
I'll answer your question with this question. Wakama. Did you hear anything from all I've been telling you?
Papa, I heard everything you said. I heard everything. And I don't even know why you worry yourself too much. I don't know why you're worrying yourself too much. Eh? The land in question is not our own. It's their father's own. Your elder brother. It's your senior brother. So the land belongs to them.
And what happened to me? Yes, we're supposed to share the whole thing. Am I not a man? Am I not a man?
Papa, that's not the issue. That's not the issue. The thing is, you don't have a son. Let's say the truth. You don't have a son. If tomorrow I get married and then you die, you're not dying now. When you get old, you die. And when you die now, what will happen to the land? Will I come from my husband's house to drag land with my cousins? Papa, so we should be talking about the present, how to move forward.
But then, where do we farm this farming season? Huh?
Now that the land is no more, the only portion of land we have is no more. What do you farm this is?
Papa, it's not making sense. I'm talking about the future, how to go forward, how to enjoy this life you are living now. Farm. Who is talking about farm? My mate, Chidima. How to move to the city and live this good life. Papa, I am not forbidding to live a good life. Let's move to the city, live life. You as you are now, you think you're old. Papa, you're not old. The suffering that shrinked you like this. By the time they pumped money in your life, it changed. If I'm working with man now, that you're looking like this because poverty has dried you up. It's just me and you, Papa. We can make it. So you see, my plan is as I'm thinking now, making plans on how to move to the city. So that's why I'm asking you all this question. Let me see how I can bring you in. Not when I've planned it, you'll now be talking one side.
My daughter.
Talking about land.
You are saying reality. But the fact is this. Just look at me. At this age, at this age I am now, I will pack up from the village where I've been. And I'm almost very close to my ancestors. I will pack up from the village.
Papa, how old are you? Do you want me to open my friend's phone and show you your mate in the city? You will find out that he's suffering that has shrinked you. I'm telling you something that will lift you up. You're talking about I'm going to stay in the village now. No problem. Yeah, I'll go to the city.
You think it's easy? So easy? Look, you must go to the city prepared if you want to go to the city. Otherwise, hunger will kill you.
Papa, I don't know why you keep looking down on me. I don't know why you always look down on me. Is it because I'm a girl? But let me tell you something. It's me and you in this life. I am the only ally you have. Your only child. The only person you will trust. So before I start saying city, I have plans. I'm just thinking of how we can, move it. And then you being in line. So that when I finish planning, you know, I have plans. Trust me. We should be talking of how to move to the city now.
Oh, Mama. What happened to my daughter? Away! Ulama is dead, oh! Everybody come on! Hey! Mama, who is dead? Ulama. Who is dead? I'm not dead, though.
You're alive.
Hi. Thank God. But what are you doing here? Huh? Hey, Mama. I was hot inside. I now decided to come outside and receive fresh air. You decided to come outside and receive fresh air on a bare floor, ordinary bare floor.
Yes, Mama. You know, outside is very cold. It is cold outside.
Oh, Mama. Sit down. Just sit down. Oh, Mama. You are hot inside. And you decided to come outside and receive fresh air.
Yes, very fresh.
On a bare floor, ordinary floor. Oh, Mama. There is something you are not telling me. Talk to me. I am your mother.
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
I was hot inside. And I came outside to receive fresh air. That's all.
Hey! Uloma.
Okay, when I came outside, I was lying down here. I was lying down on this chair, and then my hand now touched the ground. The ground was very cold. And I said, okay, let me just lie down here so that the fresh air will come. Everywhere will be cold.
Hi. Uloma, talk to me. Something is wrong somewhere. I don't believe you.
Mama,
I am not a child.
You are even sitting on the ground. Why are you sitting on the same ground?
Ulama. Ulama, you refuse to tell me the truth, right?
What have I gotten myself into? I'm a murderer. I killed my best friend. And now, her ghost is haunting me. What should I do? I need to tell someone. Then, I'll be stoned to death. Murderer don't go scot-free in our village. What's the difference? I can't even close my eyes for a second. I need to do something.
You never tire for your evil way. Every day by day, you are looking for.
Her number is still not reachable. What's going on? What's going on, Chidinma? Why are you not picking your calls all this while? Let me try it again. What? Her number is switched off. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Yes. She said she was going to spend 1 month with her mother at the village. But why is she not picking all this? Why? Good. She's from Anambra State. Atufuma, Orumba North. But where exactly? Of course, she's not the only one that bears Chidinma in the whole of Ufuma, Orumba North. What do I do now? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I think I should go there at Ufuma Orumba North and then ask questions. I might just be lucky because God knows I won't be able to bear the heartbreak if I get to find that Chidinma has left me for another man. No, she can't do that. She loves me too much. She can't do that. She can't do that. Ma, please. I know you can hear me. I know our heart is connected.
My spirit is restless, no peace at all. Come back, Kukumaki, Bemo, Apollo, come surround me, Apollo, Apogini, come already, yes,
Hi! Chidinma. Chi. You haven't seen anything yet. You did this to me. It was a mistake. It was an accident. You know it. Did I speak?
Hey, God. This daughter of mine will not cease to amaze me. Hey! So because she knows I am angry at her, she doesn't want me to beat her, so she has swept everywhere and even fetched firewood. I'm sure she's fetching water now. This is my daughter. Hey, Chidinma. So that I will not have the heart to beat you. I won't beat you. Huh? Hey, Chimo. Hey.
You are very wicked, unfriendly friend. Obigi de Kwanjo. You are wolf in sheep clothing. Why are you like this? Your character is not different.
Uloma, are you okay?
Yes. I'm fine.
Why are you talking to yourself?
I'm not talking to myself. There's this song I'm singing. That's how they used to sing it. You know, you'll be murmuring. That's how they used to sing that song.
It's okay, it's okay. See, hold on, ma. I wanted to ask you something.
What is it?
Calm down. It's nothing serious, okay? I want to know if you would like to go out with me.
Akuna, no. This is not the right time. You know, I have a lot on my mind. Let me.
Hold on, ma, wait. See, I've been noticing you and I've noticed that something is bothering you. You seem distant. See, if anything is bothering you, just know that I'm always here. I can always give you a shoulder to lean on. I'm always here to listen and to support you, okay?
Akuna, thank you for your concern. It's just that there are so many things happening in my life right now, and I need to sort them out myself. You can't just understand it, but I need to face them vigorously.
It's okay, I understand you, okay? I just want you to know that I'm always here. If you need someone to talk to, someone to support you, anything, I'll always be here for you, okay? And see, let me tell you something. I believe in my heart that something good is coming your way. Yes, I'm very sure of that.
I appreciate your support. But are you sure about something good? Are you sure?
Yes, I believe so, okay?
That's fine. I am sorry, this is not the time to explore.
It's okay.
Please understand.
I understand you.
Everywhere, wicked people. Everywhere, wicked people. Wicked soul.
Ah,
Well done, sir.
my guy.
Good.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Good. Well, sorry to disturb you.
Okay.
I came here because of your sister. Yes, my woman. You see, she left for the village for the past 3 weeks. I've been trying to reach her on the phone, but not reachable. So I decided to come meet you because you both usually call yourselves my brother, my sister. I just want to get her exact village, so I will go look for her to know if she's okay.
Ogachike, the thing is, I know to really know her village like that. You understand? She's from Ufoma, and me, I'm from Ajani. You understand? I know to know her, but though we they call ourselves my brother, my sister, it's because we now for the same town we will come from, the same local government. But I don't really know her own village like that.
Well, see, actually, you were my only hope to locate her village. But as it seems right now, I don't know what to do. But it's all good. It's all good.
Well, one thing I know about Ufuma girls is that they don't really behave like that. And the thing we say, so long as you are taking good care of her, she don't have to run away or behave the way she do.
Well, thank you for that information. At least it helped to calm my nerves. It's okay. I'll look for some other way. Sorry for taking your time, like I said, okay?
No,
and you're not looking bad at all.
Like this?
I see the country is good on you.
Thank you, sir.
Well, just manage this. Just manage this, just for recharge card or something. Huh?
Thank you, Ogachike.
No problems.
Thank you.
No problems. But just in case you set your eyes upon her, do not hesitate to give me a call.
Definitely. No problem.
It's all right. I'm packed over there across.
Okay.
All right?
No problem.
Take care.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay, sir.
Who is there? Good day, sir. Good day. Who are you looking for?
We are looking for Emeka.
Emeka? But who are you?
Okay, we are actually his friends from Amachara village. Is Emeka around? Or perhaps Ifeanyi?
He has not come back since yesterday. But if I may ask, do you have a message for him? You can drop it with me.
Oh yes. We have a message. When he comes back, tell him that the flying birds need to land.
And what is the meaning of that?
When you tell him this, he alone will understand.
So these are the kind of people Emeka and Ifeanyi are roaming with. The flying bird needs to land. Hey! Look at them. Or they call the power, or they call the guru. Emeka and Ifeanyi. No problem. Come back in this house. I will deal with you decisively. In fact, Igwe must hear this. Igwe must hear this.
Unfriendly friend.
Come on, I am scared. Chidima is haunting me left, right, and center. Her spirit.
Which one is that spirit is haunting you?
Her spirit is haunting me.
Bring down your voice, my friend. Don't you know people can hear you?
Hey, but I'm scared now. Her spirit appeared to me. Immediately I closed my eyes to sleep. The thing just appeared like this.
No spirit is appearing.
I will not close my mouth. Wakama, let's go and tell people what we did. We should tell someone.
Tell someone what? No, Uloma, tell someone what. Did anything happen? What is there to tell anybody when nothing happened? Okay, mature, no, it's in your head.
But it's haunting me now. The spirit is appearing to me, left, right, center. My mother is even beginning to suspect that I'm pregnant.
Gensi, like I told you, all these things are in your head. You're thinking of it because your conscience is stupidly fighting you. So you have to calm down so your conscience can calm down. And then when you sleep, before you sleep, you think about all the good things in your life. That way, when you sleep, you will not see her.
But there's no good thing that has happened to me now. The thing there is that what we did is evil. Evil is evil. Evil is not good. Let's go and tell someone. I'm tired though. I'm scared.
You don't mean with the sense. Do you have sense at all? Yes, what we did is evil. But we apologize to her dead body, to her spirit. So what we have to do now is keep it a secret. Because my sister, if they find out what we did, you see what happened? You see the way Chidima died? That one is a birthday. Hey, her death is merciful. Because if you see the kind of death that is coming to you, once you open this your mouth and say what happened, so better keep your mouth shut. Like I said, calm down. Relax your spirit. Think about all the good things that happen in your life before you go to bed. That way, you will not see her again. After all, you did not even touch her. I was one that...
You're the one that killed...
Mechono, it was a mistake.
Okay, you're the one that mistakenly killed her. And now you're telling me to calm down.
If anybody hears this, I don't know you. I don't know you. I will deny you. Go home.
I should go?
Yes, now.
And she'll be disturbing me. I'm not going home.
Yeah, you want to sleep.
I will try and calm down, but what you did is evil.
Uloma, if I hear what you did is evil again, I bury you here. Nobody will even know you died. And if I see your spirit, I will strangle your spirit on top of it. My friend, go home.
Mama, you are too easy. I will try and calm down. I will not tell anybody.
Go home. I said, go home.
I've told you. I'll just tell my mother. But I will try and
This stupid girl got rapota. This girl will put me in trouble.
What would make them refuse to return my money and at the same time not pick your calls?
Sir, they were not at home when we got there.
They were not at home? Meaning what?
Sir, their uncle said that they've not been at home since yesterday and he doesn't know their whereabouts, sir.
I just hope those boys are not trying to play on my intelligence, because they will regret the consequences. Yes, they will. You may go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
We are proud of evil. Now the table has turned around.
What is it? Has she started hunting you too?
Hunting who? And our cousin, we can concentrate. Listen, I am thinking we should go back and get that money.
Why? Why must we go back there? And what makes you think the money will still be there?
Use your head, use your head. If anybody has seen the money, that person would have announced that Chidinma is dead, because the same person that saw the money will see Chidinma's corpse. So since we've not heard that Chidinma is dead, have you heard anybody say it? That means they've not seen the money.
That's true. That's true. But what if we get caught? Can't we just forget about this money and move?
Nay, I cannot forget about the money. I need the money. I need it for my life to be good. Imagine that kind of money in my life. Banuru now. Ajay, let me tell you, I need that money. I want to leave this village and go to the city. And I'm sure you need it too.
Yes, I do. I need the money. But I'm scared. And I know you are scared. Otherwise, you won't need me to go there with you. So, what if everybody begins to suspect us? Because we are her friends. Yeah.
Now see what we're going to do to avoid being suspected. Now we're going to Chidinma's house. Let's go and see the mother. When we get there, we'll ask of Chidinma. That way, when they finally see her corpse, they will not suspect us for knowing her whereabouts.
Hey, hey, that's true. Hi, but you are an expert in planning evil. No offense. Sorry.
And I'm here. Well, not taking, because me, I have sense. You don't have sense. That's why
you only have sense in planning.
That's why you're every small thing. That's why you told Chidinma. Hey, you're very calculated.
It's because you have sense in planning evil. Evil planner. Hey. Mama, good morning.
Good morning. How are you? How is your mother?
She's fine.
And your father?
He's fine, Mama.
Okay.
Mama, we were actually on our way to your house.
Yes.
We wanted to come and see if there's anything we can do for you.
So, can even sweep?
Since Chidinma is not around.
Ha! No. Chidinma has almost done all the house chores before I woke up this morning.
Yeah.
Yes, so I just woke up to see the place swept. She has fetched water, firewood, everything.
Yes. When did she return?
I told you I woke up this morning to see that she has done all the work.
Mama, you mean Chidinma is at home
yes,
now?
She's around.
She come to tell us that she's back.
Nemo. Your friends are here to see you. I have somewhere I'm going to. Okay. You people enjoy yourself. Don't play too much. Remember what I told you. Okay,
Mama wanu
Mama.
Chidinma. Chidinma, I'm so happy to see you. Thank God you are alive. Thank God you are alive. Thank God you didn't die. Thank God. We're all together now. We're all together now. Chidima. Dima, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I punched you too hard. I was just angry, you know. The way you said they should give me small part, the thing made me angry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
You didn't know I was going to die?
But Dima, you did not die. That's the good thing. You're still here with us and the three of us are together. Hey! Thank God. Oh, thank God. I thought I've killed someone. I'm
sorry too. I didn't know. You know, I told her to stop so people should not fight, but she won't listen. I'm sorry. Oh.
But what come out?
Chidi.
You had the guts to hide my body. Chidi. After punching me. Chidi. You could not let my mother know. You could not even take my body home. All because of money.
Chidi, it's not like that. I was just scared. When you fell, I was shaking you. I was calling your name. You were not moving. I didn't know what to do. Out of fear, I ran out. I thought I had killed you then.
Even we don't even want the money anymore. You don't want the money? Yes, you can. You want the money, okay?
What about you? Do you still want the money?
Yes. Actually, we'll share it equal now. Oh, okay. You will take the bigger part. Then we'll share the remaining one. You take the
so now one. You want me to have the biggest share?
Yes, so yes. You can have all. You can even take all the money.
She will take the bigger part. Then we share the remaining one.
So now you want me to have the biggest share?
Of course, because of what I did to you, at least to compensate you with that one. Take the biggest one. I'm happy you are alive. I thought I killed someone. So yeah, you can take 3 million. Then we share 2.5.
That is if the money is even up to that amount.
Where's the money?
We left it there.
We wanted everything to die down.
Yes, we left it there and ran away. We've not gone back there since.
No, we did not just leave it there. We buried it. We hid it somewhere.
And we've not gone back there.
We will bring it out when everything dies down. Then we share it.
Let's go and get the money.
Now? Let's go. You take the biggest part. Let's go.
What am I? Maybe so.
Actually, let's go now. You're not going again. Where is she?
Who are you asking? Do I know where she is?
Oh, Mama, where is she?
She was inside here.
This thing is still the same way. You know what? Open it, let's see.
Must I be the one to open it? You open it, are you not here?
What do you mean must you be the one to open? You know what? I am leaving now. I don't have business with you. Dima.
Look at what you did to my body. Look at what you did to the daughter of Mama Dima.
You sniffed life out of me.
You want to live to where?
The both of you deserve to live. Should I spare your life or kill you right here and now?
No, Chidima, please. I am sorry from the depth of my heart. I am sorry, please forgive me. No, I can never kill anybody. I didn't kill you.
Dima, please. I won't be selfish. You know I'm a good person. I am going to say we are sorry. You know what happened? This was an accident. It was an accident.
You punched me on the face.
Because you slapped me.
Stop my head landed on the wood.
You left me half dead in the bush. You were supposed to take me to the hospital. You didn't. You killed me. You are wicked. I have internal pain. Who will heal me? And my mother, what will happen to her? How do I get to live with her again?
you sniffed life out of me. You will regret it. Everywhere you go, in your houses, in your rooms, in your dreams, you will always see me. My eyes are on you. Everywhere you go, I am watching you. And if you tell anyone about what you've just seen or heard, I will kill you. I will make you experience 10 times of what I have experienced. My eyes are on you.
Hold the afternoon. There is nothing good about this afternoon. Eh? Because the only land remaining in this family, you use it as a collateral. Eh? Where is the document provided? That's the only solution.
Please, Uncle, where is Anwakamba? We're in a hurry, please. We'll talk about this later, not now. Eh?
Let Amadio have thunder. Complete one. Eh? Cut off this your head. Nonsense boy. Where is the document? Because I saw some small boys farming in that land.
Oh, Uncle, can you stop this? We'll talk about this later, not now. Stop this.
Must be addressed now because it's an urgent matter. Yes, they said that that land was lent to them to farm by Chief Ezemo. So the only thing you can do now is to provide the document to me if you have it. Or better to. Uncle, please, can you stop this? Where is Wakamba now? Foolishly stop what they are saying because you're just ranting to cover up your faults. I said, listen to me. You know, you have only two options. Listen to me. Number one option, bring everything you collected from Chief Ezemo. What? That's number one option. Number two is that if you fail to do this, I will take you to the Igwe. You face his rot, you know that?
Hey, it's better now. Uncle, let's go to the Igwe.
Who said this?
Yes. I mean, it's not like we have any other option left.
Make sure that
there to
hide. Are you mad?
Uncle, let's see the Igwe now so that we can tell him everything.
I want the land document.
You are very wicked, unfriendly friend. Obigidi Banjo. You are wolf in sheep clothing. Why are you like this?
Oh, Lama. Oh, you are here. I didn't even know you were going to come this early. So, you have to go to... What is it? You have to go to the market to get me ogiro. Jesus! Oh, Lama! Oh, Lama! Chimo! Oh, Lama, what is it? Oh, Lama! Oh, Lama, talk to me! Oh, Lama, talk to me! Hey! Oh, but don't come on! Oh, Lama, what is it? What is it? What happened to my daughter? Oh, Lama! Hold on. Hold on, look at me. Hold on, just look at me. Hey! Oh, Lama!
Mama, what do you want me to become?
Oh, Chidima, what I want you to do right now is to go to that kitchen, finish the cooking, so I can eat and go for my meeting. Eh?
Mama, I'm serious now. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean. Mama, look, I know I have not been the best of daughter to you. But if I was, what do you think I will become?
My daughter. You are the best of daughter to me. It's a loss to that person that thinks that you're not the best of a daughter. Eh? I know that you will grow up to become the best woman that you will be.
Mama, will you miss me if anything should happen to me?
No, nothing will happen to you because I will sell everything and anything that I have to make sure I give you the best of education that you will go. What is that thing you said you want to be? What
model.
A model. You will go, you will study, then you will come back and you will marry a very good husband. You will have children. The only thing I pray for is that one of them will be as stubborn as you are, so that you understand how it feels. You gotta go.
Mama, you really do have high hopes for me.
Where are all these questions coming from?
No worry, I'm just curious.
Curious. You know, you remind me of your grandmother. Whenever I take you to her, there's this song that she's always singing whenever she's carrying you. Let me sing it for you. Nene udumara putamu. Nene udumara putamu. Udumji chubi na mama ronu duawa. Udumji chubi na mama ronu duawa. Abu musuru duka abu moya ludu nawa. Abu musuru duka abu moya ludu nawa. Nene udumara putamu. Nene udumara putamu. Udumji chubi na mama ronu awaru. Udumji chubi na mama ronu awaru. Abu museru duka abu moya ludu nawae. Nere udu na moyana. Nere udu.
I've searched everywhere and I can't seem to find where my father hid the land documents. And I need those land documents in order to gain Chief's help.
Akuna.
No.
You must try harder. Chief expects results if he must assist you.
Man, I'm doing everything I can. And I'm not going to leave any stone unturned until I find those documents. But see, Sapiro, you guys help me. You guys put in good words with him.
All right. I will speak to Chief. I will tell him all the challenges you are facing. But remember, time is of essence. Find those documents so we can move forward.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Man, God.
Sapiro, no dey find black gold for night.
Man, I'm tired of this country. I am tired of this country. I just need to leave this country. Huh? I don't know why my papa just dey treat me like this.
Sapiro, no dey find black gold for night.
Wakamba. Have you seen how useless these your stupid causes can be? Have you seen it? Yes, because you are defending them. You support them in everything. Eh? Look at what they are saying. Yeah? Wakama.
Hey, Papa, yes.
Oh, you were sleeping all this while. Huh? They have lost 8 million.
8 million? I didn't take any 8 million. No. I did not take any 8 million.
Will you shut up and hear me clearly? Your useless cousins lost the money they got from the sale of the land and also the money on top. They lost everything. Yes, they lost everything. Look at them. Huh? Because you're always supporting them. Have you seen how stupid they can be?
Uncle, you think you were lying? You think we are lying. We are not lying now. This matter is more serious than you think. We are in serious deep trouble. We are in trouble.
Uncle, there's no need of running away. Yes. Running away is not the best option. I cannot bear this terrible loss. Losing everything. No! Uncle, what if we lose our lives? We will get out. And lose this life. What is it for? What's your life for? You are giving to them, when you cannot show the value of life. Huh? What? Huh?
But one day, monkey go market, you not go return at all. You never tire for your evil way.
Emeka, you mean you lost the money? Where?
I told your father everything now. I told your father everything that happened. I mean, I was jumped by a thief.
You were jumped by a thief or you buried the money?
Wakama, what are you talking about? Buried.
Was the money in a Ghana Moscow?
Yes. How? I mean, in an arch Ghana Moscow, yes. How did you know? Do you know who robbed me?
Yes, Wakama. Do you know anything about that money?
Mbao, no, I don't.
Then how did you know that the money was in a Ghana Moscow?
You know, a big money like that, you said it's almost 8 million, or 8 million. It's supposed to be in a Ghana Moscow. So I'm asking, you know, to know what I'll be looking out for if I want to look for the money. Yeah, because when we finish talking now, I'll enter the village and start searching for it. Because you can't lose a money like that now. Such amount of money.
If you're looking for it, you have to be very careful. This person is armed and dangerous. He has a gun.
Can you stop that nonsense? What do you mean the person has a gun? He has
a gun.
Can you stop?
Oh, you want him to kill my sister? What's wrong with you?
Because the person has a gun.
You need to follow me now.
Oh, Chidima, you need to stop this now. You need to stop it. You know it was a mistake.
I don't have time for this talk. You need to follow me to Ohia Esiagu now.
I'm not going anywhere.
Wakama, we are going somewhere. So go in there and change.
Papa, I'm not going anywhere with you. I need to be somewhere.
And where could that be?
Somewhere important.
Revenge! Follow me. Some.